So, some of you know this is a flanker from the Most Wanted line. You have the Most Wanted, Eau de Parfum, you have the Parfum, and this is the Eau de Toilette Intense. So, an intense version of the original. And I've actually smelled this fragrance a couple of months ago, like 2 months ago, and guys, it smells really good. And here's the bottle, and I also love the bottle design. It's like the revolver, the gun, and the color just looks so good, and actually the color matches the ingredients notes of this one. So now, without wasting any more time, let's spray this goddamn thing. Oh, already guys, already. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Damn, already you get hit with a blast of sweetness, a blast of freshness. It's so fresh and sweet, and oh my guys, the sweetness on this is refreshing. Now, some of you may say, dude, what are you talking about? Most of the sweet fragrances, well, they're more like heavy and perfect for like fall, winter, or even like date night or something like that. And fresh fragrances are not that sweet, but this one, to my nose at least, it has that perfect blend of freshness and sweetness, because the top note of this is bergamot. So it's gonna open up very vivid, very fresh, very citrusy, mouth watering, and in the middle you have some lavender. So that lavender is gonna calm that bergamot a little bit down, and it's gonna give it that aroma. It's gonna give it that masculine touch, that just very refreshing. But in the base, here's what's so interesting about this, guys. In the base you have liquor and moss. Yes, you've heard that right. Liquor in a fresh fragrance. Have you ever seen that? Personally, never. I mean, liquors or rum or all those liquors are generally guys, I'm having trouble pronouncing this, are generally made for fall and winter fragrances because they are much more heavier and give it that boozy accord and sweetness. So you may say, oh, well, it's not gonna really work with a fresh fragrance. That's what I thought. Also, I was just like you guys, but this one just blends in so well. It's so gorgeous. And I said the color matches the notes. Well, bergamot is yellow, green, and also moss. Moss is like that greenish color. So the colors match this fragrance, and also the vibe that you're going to project with this one. So this is a much more masculine, much more confident guy who's gonna be rocking this, because I'm gonna say, guys, some of you may say, oh, fresh liquor, not my thing, and I totally understand. But for a guy looking for something different and just unique and fresh, but also has character, because let's be honest, there's a dozen, thousands, millions of fresh fragrances, but not a lot of them hold a certain strong character. This one, the Most Wanted Intense, holds it with that liquor, which is phenomenal, guys. It smells very sweet, just sweet. So if you're a guy who likes fresh and sweet fragrances, which is basically me, this is perfect for me, guys. I really love it. So now let's talk about the performance. Azzaro themselves, the brand, actually stated that they have tested this on a lot of persons, several human beings. They tested this fragrance on their skin, and they've noticed that the average is around 8 to 9 hours. So with this fragrance, it's gonna last a long time. And let's be honest, guys, fresh fragrances, they're not always long lasting because it's normal. Their compositions, their notes, citrusy notes tend to evaporate quickly, so it's understandable. But this, because they added moss and liquor, which are ingredients and notes that are much more heavy in the base, that's why this one is gonna last longer. Masculine with a soft touch, but that touch can be very masculine. I don't know what I just said, but guys, if you understand me, understand me. And by the way, my man, if you like this type of content and me reviewing fragrances and also new releases, all that good fragrance content, man, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Now, like I said, this is going to last a very long time, 8 to 9 hours. And from what they said, I can actually confirm this because I've tried it before. And for me, it lasted around that 8 hour mark, 8, maybe 9, but very long lasting. And it also projects nicely. Beautiful, beautiful sillage scent bubble. It's not going to be the most overpowering. No, that's not the case, but it is not the most intimate. You're going to have the perfect scent bubble, which is going to make you the most wanted because all of the ladies are going to follow you from the street, from the bar, from the restaurant, from, I mean, if you take public transport, guys, you're going to get compliments with this because it is true. And I'm telling you guys, it makes me want to sit down like on a restaurant by the beach, somewhere like Spain, Barcelona, in a bar in Barcelona. Yeah, that was not so good, the wordplay, but you're sitting in the bar in a restaurant just by the beach, and you get that freshness, that sea breeze. This doesn't smell aquatic, but you're in the night by the beach in a really good restaurant with good lights, and you're a man in your like 20s, maybe 30s, and you're having dinner with your friends or you're on a date. That's how I would picture and really picture this fragrance, really masculine. And guys, honestly, rating, I would give this a 9 out of 10. Whoa, I just watched back the video and I forgot to mention something. This is perfect for spring, summer, and fall. You can also get away with it in the winter because it has that liquor and moss in the base, which gives it that strong character. It's sweet. So guys, you can wear it in the daytime and evening for your serious dates. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.